Hey, thanks for checking out the virtual Zippo application. Here's a demo of how it works. The first time you use the application, you'll get a chance to pick your lighter. We've got a bunch now, and we'll be adding more in later versions. Just scroll with your fingers and select Done up here when you find the one you want. To open your Zippo, just touch the lid with your finger and pull it open. Additionally, you can just flick the lighter open and closed. To light it, just spin the flint wheel. The flame will move as you move your hands. Thanks for checking out the virtual Zippo application. Have fun!